actually played that one. We were invited up to the Northern Ontario Music and Film Awards conference a little while back because we were nominated for Best Album by a Group or Duo. Really awkward about promoting myself. Yeah, we played that one, and we really wanted to punch it up because we figured they wanted that one because it's like more rocky than our usual folk rock fair kind of stuff. So we bumped it up with like drums, a whole kit, and we had a keyboard, and we had a MIDI sax that actually is a saxophone that sounds kind of like like an electric guitar. It was weird. Yeah, that was really cool, but it didn't even sound like the same song. It was like a minute and a half long. This next one we've got is actually a song that I wrote in response to a song by Anita Franco. Does any of you know who that is? She wrote this song that's kind of about her breaking up with someone that she's having an affair with. It has this one line that really grabbed me that kind of goes, so the mother whose house is in flames, and both of her children are in their beds crying, and she loves them both with all of her heart, and she knows she can only carry one at a time, and she's choking on the smoke of unthinkable choices. She's haunted by the voices of so many desires, bent over by the business of begging forgiveness while frantically running around putting out fires. And I was listening to that song and I thought, I could totally carry two kids at the same time. So yeah, I wrote this song kind of about, you can write a song, there's a lot of pretty metaphors, and it makes your point and gets people to relate with what you're feeling and stuff like that, but you're still doing something wrong. I don't really feel like I'd have to choose between who's riding on my shoulders and who's burning in their sleep. 'Cause I have shoulders wide enough for two. My heart, there's bets that I can carry you. Carbon monoxide, your skyscraper of some kind. There's hundreds in this town. Billboards built for fun. We turn the photographs face down. You stay. Could you stay? 'Cause I'm like a carnival. You're multivitamins. Your ounce of prevention has me tasting my own medicine. You could be a little less so I can have some more. 'Cause you live in the real world and not just some kind of metaphor. 'Cause I have shoulders wide enough